Hello everyone, it's Marie and welcome to another video. So today I'm giving you 5 ways that I personally make money online, which enables me to travel the world. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm always getting asked in all my videos, how do you make money online that enables you to travel around the world? How do you afford to do it? So here are 5 genuine reasons that I use to make money online, and these aren't the only ways that you can make money online. There's tons of ways to be a digital nomad, there's tons of ways to earn money via the internet, and these are just simply the ways that I do it. And I'm hoping that maybe some of the things in this video might inspire you or just tick off something in your head that can make you think, hey, maybe I can do this too. So let's just get into it. First of all, I will say I'm in New Zealand right now on a working holiday visa. This is one way that I also afford to travel. You get a working holiday visa, you can work in that country. So obviously, if you don't want to work it online, you can do what I'm doing right now and actually work in the country doing things. So that's obviously one way, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about how I earn money online. And if you've been following my journey, you'll know that I recently just traveled Europe for almost 1 year, and I supported my European trip completely via online income, earning money on the internet. So I'm just going to get into it and give you a list of things that I personally do. So the first thing that I do, and if you've been following me, you know that this is my main source of income, it is teaching online. Now, I teach the English language online via the company 51Talk. I teach to children and adults in China via an online virtual school. Teaching online is a really popular way for people to travel and work online, and teaching English is actually a popular way for people to travel and teach in specific countries as well. You don't have to be a native to teach English online, by the way. If you can speak good English, then you could absolutely work online as an English teacher, or if you have another language, French, Spanish, German, Italian, there are definitely websites out there that will enable you to work online as a teacher and get paid for it. And not just teaching the language, but you could also do other kinds of teaching online too. What kind of teacher are you? Do you know a lot about chemistry or biology or maths or physics or music? You can absolutely teach other subjects online too. It doesn't have to be a language. So think about what you're good at. Could you teach it online? You could probably do it via a website like I do, like an online school, but you could also do it via videos that you post to the internet. You can make money from those. You could upload videos onto Udemy and other similar websites where you can teach people things and they'll buy your programs. If you're interested in more about Udemy stuff, look at Louise from Digital Nomad Girl. I'll link her below. She has a lot of tips on that kind of thing, but there's lots of ways you can be an online teacher. So just look into it. Think about what you can do. You can probably get paid to teach it. The second thing that I do is virtual assisting. I don't do much of that these days, but in the past I did a lot of virtual assisting. So is there something you're good at? Can you sort out emails? Can you take telephone calls? Can you book flights for somebody? There are tons and tons of people who need virtual assistants that can help them with things. I worked for a girl and booked her flights. I sorted out a travel itinerary. I did loads of stuff for her, financial things for her. So you could just work online as a virtual assistant. Maybe you can work for a business. Maybe you could edit thumbnails for them. Mackenzie Fly, I'll link her channel below. She's a virtual assistant. So there's tons of ways you can work online as an assistant. That's another way of doing it. Yeah, I highly recommend you look into that. Try websites such as Upwork, People Power and Freelancer. They might have some ways that you can work online as a virtual assistant, but there's also websites that you can work with too, or you could even start your own virtual assistant business. So definitely think about that. So the third way that I earn money online is via writing. So I work as a freelance writer for a few various clients. They send me a task, they send me an article to write, I write it, I get paid per article. So like with my online teaching, this is all income that I get for the amount of work I put in. With my teaching, I get paid per hour or per class. With my virtual assisting, I get paid per hour or per task. With my writing, I'll get paid either per hour or by task, okay? This is all income that you earn as you go. Check out Upwork.com, People Per Hour and Freelancer.com. It's also possible to be an online video editor, you could be a graphic designer, you could be a travel agent. Just look into what kind of online jobs are available for you, but like I said, this is just what I do. Okay, so now let's move on to more passive income. So the fourth way that I make money online is via YouTube. Now, I don't have a very big channel, I don't make a lot of money on YouTube, maybe like $40, 30-ish pounds per month. It's not a lot, but it's something. Obviously, if you've got a channel that's grown quite a bit, you could probably make quite a lot of money off YouTube. As you know, some people make a complete living out of it, some people are loaded from it. So yeah, YouTube is another way that I personally make money online, and that's more of a passive income. Sure, I have to keep putting videos out there to get money back, but overall, the videos that are out there are generating me money as we speak. Not a lot of money right now, but they still generate me money. So that is one way that I'd make money online too. So definitely look into passive income sources. There's tons of ways of doing it. I know people that make money via Amazon affiliate marketing. That's something that I'm looking into soon. Anyway, so the fifth way that I make money online is also via affiliate links, like I was just mentioning. So this isn't physical money that I make. A lot of the time this is credit, but I still count it as money. So for example, on Airbnb.com, I have an affiliate link. Every time someone signs up to Airbnb via my affiliate link, I get sent maybe £15 of Airbnb credit. I can use that money to exchange for accommodations. So for example, when me and Andy stayed in Paris a few months ago, I used a bit of our Airbnb credit and I was able to stay in Paris for almost free because I was able to use some money that I'd earned from my affiliate links. With Trusted Houses, as you know, it costs about £90 a year to join. Well, through all the people that have signed up via my affiliate link, I've actually earned about 3 years of membership on that website via my affiliate link. Another really good example is my teaching. So as you know, I'm an online English teacher. I have an affiliate link. Every time someone signs up to become a teacher through my link and is successful, I'll get $100. So if a lot of people sign up, that earns me money, and it's just passive income. It's not money that I'm having to do anything for apart from advertise my affiliate links. I'm just getting money when people sign up via my links. So affiliate marketing, affiliate links, that's another way that I'm making money right now. So those are the 5 ways that I'm personally making money online right now, and all this money is allowing me to travel around and it's paying for my travel, okay? As well as my working holiday visa that I'm doing right now, obviously, that I just started 1 week ago. Anyway, yes, so I'm just going to end this video here. I hope that you enjoyed hearing about the 5 ways that I personally make money that enables me to travel around and pay for my trips. Definitely hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to see more videos that go into more detail and more depth about how to be an English teacher or how to become a writer or how to work online. I also make videos about minimalism, I do travel guides, I talk about how to get free accommodation, how to travel for cheap. So if you are on a budget and you want to see the world like me, then hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.